There's the monster. That's the monster. Right there. Standing at the edge of the crib. Crying her face off. Jalen. And now she's fine. Of course. Yep. Now she's fine. What'd you do with your ink? Huh? Did you throw it? Yep. There it is. She gets mad. Throws it out the crib. Okay. Here you go. Okay. Let's lay back down. Okay. Let's lay down. Go night-night. Because I know you're sleepy. Come on. Lay down. Go night-night. Love you. Okay. Go night-night. Over. Go on your tummy. Okay. There we go. Go night-night. There we go. Go night-night. Okay. Here's your baby. As soon as I walk away, boom, she's awake, she's up, and smiling, because she thinks it's playtime. Hi, Turd. Yeah, so lucky you're cute. Uh-huh. Where'd it go? Here it is. Oops. Uh-oh. Your beak is crooked. There you go. Are you gonna go night-night? Huh? Are you gonna go night-night? No? Not gonna go night-night? No? No? Why not? Mommy wants to go night-night. Pretty sure that Grandma wants to go night-night too. No? Yeah, you're so funny. Yeah? What? Yeah? Okay, say night-night. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. We're gonna go night-night. Bye-bye. Go night-night. Can you blow kisses? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.